Today I recently saw a post on people complaining that Armory 3D they pack it in a different blend file, as in they have a different version of Blender with Armory 3D packed in, and then for example a different version for just just Blender. So they have a specific version for Armory and a specific version for Blender, and then people are confused of which one is which, so they had to either rename it or change the logo. And a lot of people asking me, how do you change the logo? Well, I got three different versions of Armory 3D here with three different icons so I can tell them apart. And now this is just to show you. I don't actually have normally three different versions. These are just duplicated shortcuts. But I'm going to show you today how you can turn the ordinary Blender logo into these three alternative, two alternative logos. Now this one I got from the internet. This one I made myself, and I'll leave a Google Drive link to it in the description below. I'll also link the website we're about to use in the description below. So let me tell you what we're going to do. First of all, you need to either make your own logo or download this one, and you're going to want to navigate to your website, to a website called anyconvert.com. And this is really awesome. I use it all the time. I have it bookmarked. It's the second thing that is bookmarked, and it allows you to convert anything for free. And the reason they do this is because they have ads in it. That's how they get revenue. If not, you would have to pay. So that is really awesome of them. And as you can see, all you need to do is select the file. I'm going to use this Armory logo I made. And right now it's told us that our file name, and it's told us the size, so that's fine. And now we can convert this to a. You can scroll down, and as you can see, we have so many things. Now, obviously, you won't be able to convert a PNG thing to some of these, such as H.264, which is obviously video encoding, or docs and things like that. And there are a bunch of things that you can't do with this because obviously not compatible, but you can see the pure amount of things that you can convert, depending on what file format it is. And we want the ICO in the I category. So you click ICO, and that is the file format that they use for the desktop icons, and you just press convert. Really isn't complicated. Honestly, the hardest thing to find is this site, because there are a lot of sites out there that allow you to do conversions like this, but most of them are paid, and that's not cool. We don't like that. So I really recommend you bookmark this site. And my internet's a bit slow right now, but I'm gonna skip this part and come back as soon as it's ready. Okay, we're done, and as you can see, we have the download ICO button, and you just press download. It's fairly it's easy to understand. So now you can obviously go back if you want to convert a different file, and we're going to click on this one. Actually, I'll click on this one. Now I'll click on this one. Doesn't matter which one you want to convert, well in my case anyway. You right click and you go into properties. Now this is a French laptop, so there is the language is in French, but you click on this button that says change icon, and you go to choose file to find the file that you want. And now we're going to scroll all the way down to the downloads part where I downloaded this one. As you can see, anyconvert.com ICO at the end, .ico, and that's the file we want. Click open, and as you can see, it appears here, and you just press OK. Press apply, that's what it says, apply, and OK. And now, as you can see, we have changed our desktop icon for Armory 3D. And if we open this just to test and make sure it is Armory 3D, make sure everything works fine, and in a few seconds you will see that it is good. You got the Armory traits here, and all is good with the world. So thank you very much. If you haven't already checked out my tutorial series, there is a second episode coming out tomorrow. So subscribe for that, and subscribe for all the next episodes that are coming out after that. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.